Okay, I'm going to help you out today with the perimeter and area practice page that you're going to be working on. First problem you're going to see is some area work like this. And they're going to give you the total area, which is 54 squared centimeters. They know one side is 9 centimeters. You have to determine the other side. So we know the formula for area is length times width. We know the area is 54 squared centimeters. We know the length is 9. What must that side be? So you have to do a little multiplication facts, or if you want to think of it as a division problem, you can. 9 times what makes 54? Well, 9 times 6 is 54. Here's another example, remembering that area equals length times width. You've got the total area of 21 squared centimeters. You've got one side that's 7 centimeters. What's that other side? They're calling it X, but it's our mystery side. You've got to think about 7 times what makes 21, and 7 times 3 is 21. These are a little bit more challenging. The area ones actually are a little bit easier on this paper, but the perimeter ones are a little bit more challenging. So this time they're giving you the total perimeter, and I'm going to remind you that the formula for perimeter is length plus width plus length plus width. So you're going to need all 4 sides to find the perimeter of this shape. They know the total perimeter is 26. And they know one side is 3. But they don't know what the other side is. So we have to do a little figuring out here to find that mystery side. So I'm going to remind you, if this side is 3, then this side is 3. And if we add these together, we get a total of 6. Out of our 26 total perimeter, we know that 6 are used up here and here. So we're going to subtract, and that leaves us 20 to split on both sides. So half of this 20 comes here, and the other half goes there. So that means that mystery side is 10, because half of 20 is 10. And we know 3 plus 10 plus 3 plus 10 give us our total perimeter of 26. Here's another example. The total perimeter is 22. We know that this side is 2, and we've got to figure out the other side. So if this side is 2, then this side is 2. So far, we've used up 4 of our perimeter because I added the 2 plus 2. And I'm going to take that away from my total of 22 just to see what's left. And that gives me 18 for the remaining perimeter. Half of it goes on this side, half of it goes on this side, and half of 18 is 9. So that missing side is 9. And 9 plus 2 plus 9 plus 2 equals 22. One last example before you try some of those problems on your own. The total perimeter is 12. We know this side is 4. We've got to figure out this missing side. Well, if this side is 4, this side is 4. And I know my total perimeter so far is 8 that I've used up on these 2 sides. 12 is all the way around, so I'm going to see what's left. Oh, that leaves me 4 to fit on these 2 sides. And if I split 4 evenly, here and here, this side is 2, this side is 2. So my missing side is 2. Please feel free as you're trying these problems to come back to this video to give you a little bit extra help. Thanks.